Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be doing a drag race here at Stunt Park with Beast YT. He's going to be in his Cybertruck and I'm going to be in the Camino. We're going to see how well it does with a before and after comparison. We're going to see how good this drag race tune is on the Camino, and then I'm going to give Beast YT a tune for the Cybertruck and see if the Cybertruck is better before or after the tune. So let's get to the race. Alright, I'll ask him if he's ready to race, see if he gives a thumbs up. Alright, I'm gonna give him the countdown. He had a pretty slow start there. Don't know if it's because he's new to the whole entire manual thing or what, but we can give him a rerun on the way back down to the other side, and then after that, we can run a different tune on it, see how well it works with the drag race tune. I don't know if you noticed this or not, but if you rev up the engine in neutral before going, it really helps out with a launch. That's just a little tip for you guys. But yeah, just revving up the engine in neutral is really helpful. So let's ask him if he's ready to race again. Alright, here's the countdown. This thing accelerates crazy fast. I mean, the Cybertruck's got a pretty good chance in the end, but not the very beginning. Alright, so now we're going to head to the... Alright, YouTube, so we were able to get the Cybertruck set up and tuned for him. The tire size is down to 0.5. It runs pretty fast now. It is a diesel now, and we've got it set up in the manual still. You have to be able to work that manual really well. And if you guys did not hear this earlier, make sure whenever you're in neutral, rev it up real good. So let's ask him if he's ready to race, and then after that, we'll give him the countdown. He's keeping right there with me now. I think he's going to beat me in the longer run. I had him at the gate, but he's catching up. He's catching up fast. Yeah, that tune really helped him out. So, as you can see, the Cybertruck is pretty fast and really good at this racing and stuff. But I prefer the El Camino over the Cybertruck. It accelerates faster out the gate, but they are both really good drag race vehicles. I would recommend either one. But you just have to have the right tune and setup. It might take a while to do so, but after a while, it is well worth your time and effort putting in. And I just want to say huge thanks to Beast YT for coming out here and racing with me and using his Cybertruck as the demonstration for this video today. If you haven't already, go check out his channel, give him a like and subscribe to him. It really helps him out. And while you're at it, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. That way you can see more content, and it lets me know you guys like it and want to see more. Thank you guys for coming out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.